Hi guys, today we will get to know how to repair this Hanghrohe shut off. Okay, how we are going to change its O-ring, washer. Okay, so we will start. First, we need to remove this button with a small screwdriver, but make sure carefully uh, this fitting should not get damaged, so we need to make sure first, and then like let me adjust my phone so I will show at least completely. You can see how we are going to prepare this. Okay, now you can see here there is a small lock this area. Okay, so with something small like a screwdriver or any small thing, you need to press it little bit. Okay, press and push from this side, so this will come out. Okay, see, very easy, it came out. So just remove this O-ring, then we have to take out, we will open like this. See, this another O-ring, and this see. So this small O-ring and these two which we taken out earlier, these three O-rings we have to replace, and we will fix it back. This, by replacing these three O-rings, the leakage complaint, like the shut off leakage, we can fix. Okay, so need to take out first. Okay, see how easy it comes out. Okay, so we have here new rings. Okay, this is the small one, we'll fix it here. See how it is easy. And then this is the bigger one, we'll fix here, and the top end of this wall, and there is the middle one. Once you fix this ring, you need to put it back nicely. Okay, see. Okay, now it's fine. So this is the medium ring, you can fix it here. Okay, after, at the end, you need to fix the cap back. This is the cap, but there is one lock, you need to make sure it should be in the proper way. see now. Okay, this is a fix properly, and one ring we fix here. Now at the end again you have to put it back like this. Okay, very easy, and press little bit. So that lock again comes on its place. Okay, so at the end you have to fix this button here. Just press and it will be fixed. You can check it now. It's fine now. Okay, that's all. This is the way how to replace the seal in the Hanghrohe shut off. Thank you. Have a nice day.